Let's talk about how to change fonts and text sizes. After I've analyzed my data, I like to design my spreadsheets to communicate the main ideas and trends in a visually appealing way. So this is a phase where you want to think about how design and text work together to call out certain data points. This is when you get to tell a story with your data. Keep in mind, how can you use formatting and visual cues to effectively communicate your spreadsheet's message to others? First, let's change the font and text sizes on a single cell or a range of cells. Select which cells you want to modify and go to Font. As you can see, you have a wide variety of fonts to choose from. Go ahead and select Roboto. You can also modify the font size here in the toolbar. So let's make our headers a bit larger. Here's another way to change the font size real quick. Click Format, select Font Size, and then choose your font size here. Okay, let's talk merging, aligning, and wrapping cells. Select the range of cells you want to merge, open Format, and select Merge Cells. Here we have the option to merge all or merge horizontally. Your merge options will adapt automatically depending on your selection. If we had selected a vertical range of cells, we would see the option to merge all or merge vertically. Now, let's unmerge things. To unmerge a range of cells, click on Format and select Unmerge. Now, let's take a look at how the content aligns in our sheet. Okay, you'll click up here. Now you can choose to align content to the right, left, or to center it. Next, let's explore different ways to format your content. There are three options that we'll cover right now: overflow, wrap, and clip. If you select overflow, the content will overflow to adjacent cells. See that? Okay. If you select wrap, the content will fit within a single cell and you can view all of it. The cell might get bigger. This is useful when you want to make sure all the contents of the cell are in view. If you select clip, the content will still overflow, but no longer spill into adjacent cells. Content beyond the cell size will be hidden, so sometimes this can make a spreadsheet look neater as a whole, but your trade-off is that sometimes some data in the cells is not in view all the time. Time to practice reformatting rows and columns. You can select a row by its number or a column by its letter. Any formatting you do there will apply to the entire row or column. For example, we can apply a fill color to the entire column. We can bold all the column contents. And we can apply a font color to the entire column. Easy. Just these simple techniques can be really powerful when you need to tell a story with your data and make sure others understand what's important. Here we go, conditional formatting time. It's very easy to format individual cells based on their contents. To do this, let's select these cells and choose Format, and then Conditional Formatting, and then we're going to select the type of rule we want to use. We can get pretty specific with our data. See all these options available? We can choose to highlight values greater than, less than, or equal to, and specify text and cell contents as well. We can set a color scale and choose different colors to see min points and max points. We can create as many conditional formatting rules as we'd like. Did you know Sheets can make heat maps? Applying conditional formatting and selecting color scale is a very easy way to make a heat map. Heat maps are scales that highlight quantities from smallest to largest by highlighting shades of colors from lightest to darkest, or vice versa. It's all up to you. Let's do that right now. Let's say we want to make a heat map to indicate box office revenue. We want to help our team visually see what films were big winners. Let's create conditional formatting for the cells in the box office revenue column and color code the values. Here you're going to see some additional options, and here we can actually set different rules for conditional formatting. Over here, select color scale. The default here is going to be to color the highest value white and the lowest value a dark shade of green, but we can change the scale to any colors we like. We're not going to specify the minimum value or the max value. We just want to analyze all the values in our column here. And we'll hit done.